Can we start, Abhishek?
Sir Siddharth.
Oh, sorry, Siddharth.
This call is now
Okay.
being recorded.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can I start now?
Yeah.
Okay. A very warm good morning to respected HOD sir, Mr. Praveen Patel sir, respected faculty members, and all my dear students present here. My name is Siddharth Sharma. I am from second year, third semester, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Today is the fourth day of our Tech Fest, and this Tech Fest is going on in an extremely impressive manner. Though the
Hello.
conditions were not in our favor because of COVID-19 pandemic, but still, Fire Technology and Safety
नहीं नहीं
Engineering
नहीं दे
Department
रहा
has
हूँ
proved
स्ट्रीमिंग की
that
हमेशा
with
नहीं नहीं
whatever may
काटनी
be the
बस दे रहा
situation or circumstances, we will always reach the level of eminence. Well, round one of quiz competition has already
हूँ
been
लखन नाम दो
completed, and top
ये
8 students is now being selected for the second round. And in this round, each student will be facing 4 questions of equal marks. Time limit to
ठीक
answer
है
is 30 seconds, after which no one will be entertained. And secondly, the most important thing, recent general elections has now started at sharp 11:40 a.m. Now, I would like to make you familiar with some of the rules and guidelines of these events. No student can change their answer. They only have to choose one objective. If they are changing their answer, they will be marked 0 for the particular question. Top 4 scorers will be selected for third round. In this round, each student will be asked 3 questions and time limit to answer 5 seconds. And throughout the second and third round. Switch on your mic only when question is asked to you. Kindly assure that there is good internet connection during the competition. In case of any query or doubt, final decision will be taken by the quiz master and no one can question his decision. If any unfair practice is observed by the quiz master during their competition, the participant will be disqualified. Today's activity in charge is Assistant Professor Mr. Gaurav Anthony Sir from Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department and Assistant Professor Mr. Mushtaqim Khan Sir from Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Now, I humbly request Mr. Gaurav Anthony Sir to please carry on the event.
Okay. Good morning, each and everyone present here. First of all, the
Good morning, sir.
hardest congratulations to all of the participants who have been selected for the second round.
Thank you, sir.
I will just remind the few rules. Please on your cameras. All the participants, please on your cameras. So the second round, you have to be visible, and you only have to only on your mic when you will ask the questions. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anurag, can you please on your Anurag, okay. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Before
Yes, sir.
starting, all the best to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes,
Whether
sir.
question will be asked individually to one person
Yes,
at a
it
time,
is. It
or
is a question for individual questions only. No group, no
okay,
grouping, and no team here. Individual are the sole responsible for their answers. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
The first question for Tushar is. Tushar, be prepared. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Presence of a thick, oily soot on glass, including hydrocarbon residues, is positive proof of the presence of. And your answers are a complete conduction, incomplete combustions, arson, and an accidental fire. Take your time. You should only be
Yes, sir.
answering one answer, okay? You cannot shift your answers. Only one, select only one.
Okay, sir. Presence of thick, oily soot of glass, including hypocar positive. An accidental fire.
Okay. Okay, the next question for Mr. Tanishk. Tanish, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The NFPA standard, which reference fire safety symbol is, and your options are NFPA 10, NFPA 96, NFPA 17, and the NFPA 170.
Sir, NFPA 10.
Okay. The next question will be for Mr. Akhil. Akhil, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here your question is: before an emergency occurs, you should. Options are: be able to recognize the sound signal of a fire or evacuation alarm, or the location of the fire alarms and how to use them. Be aware of all the pathways to the minimum of 2 exits from every area of the workplace. And the last one is all of the above. Choose one.
Sir, D, all of the above.
Okay. Next question for Mr. Anurag Verma. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, Gaurav sir will be rejoining us.
Yes, sir.
Yes. For Mr. Anurag Verma, the question is: when water is the only available resource, which of the following is the practical use of water in aircraft fuel fire? And your answers are options are: use it contain fuel in a spill area, use over 1000 GPM to cool the fuel below its flash point, use a straight stream to make a path through the fuel, and use it to push fire away from the aircraft.
Sir, B option.
Option 1B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. The next question for Mr. Rahul. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Atmospheres that contain a flammable component above what percent of its lower explosive limit are considered hazardous for a confined space entry?
Hello.
Your options are 10%, 7.5%, 5%, and 2.5%. You have 30 seconds. Think critically.
Sir, D 2.5%.
Okay. Next question for Ms. Shruti. Shruti, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
इसको फुल
Here
स्क्रीन पे
is your
से करते
question.
हैं
In
फुल
emergency,
स्क्रीन थोड़ी
in the
है
absence of a trained rescue team, an
फुल
attendant
स्क्रीन तो
must. Options are: enter
अगर
the
करना
permit
करना है
space and try to save the
क्या फुल
entrant,
स्क्रीन में क्या
attempt
चाहिए
a non-entry
सिर्फ पीपीटी
rescue,
हाँ ये
pray
सिर्फ
and hope the
ये
entrant survives.
क्या ये
None
दिख रहा है
of the
कि
above.
ये सिर्फ ये
It's a
दो
very
ही चीजें
good question.
दिख तो रही है फुल स्क्रीन तो ये यहाँ पे क्लिक करने तो आ जाएगा यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक बस पूरा नहीं आएगा
Sir, D, none of the above.
Okay. Next question for Mr. Vaibhav. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is: all array system is required when a worker is operating at a height of. Answers are
सुनिए इसको वो
3
यूट्यूब
feet or more,
चैनल देख लो
6 feet or more, 10 feet or more, none of the
आंसर आ
above.
गया ये आंसर क्यों नहीं बता रहा यार इसको बोल यार भाई आंसर को पता सर ने कुछ बोला नहीं बोला अब सामने वालों को पता ही नहीं चलेगा
Yes, your time
कि
is
रॉन्ग
running, Mr.
आंसर करेक्ट
Vaibhav.
आंसर ये हाँ
Sir, B option
इसको
6 feet
बोलना
or
है
more.
प्लीज
Okay.
अब चल रहा है ना उसका हाँ तो वो जाके बोल देना वो उसके केबिन
Next
से जाके
question
बोल
for
बात
Mr.
तो नहीं
Avi.
है ये कंटिन्यू से हुआ है
Yes.
सर को बोल रहे वो अपने हिसाब से कर रहा
The question is: when using a ladder to climb a
है
roof,
करेक्ट आंसर
the
क्यों नहीं
ladder
बता
must
क्या बता
at least dash above it.
बस पूछ
Options
लिया
are 18 inches, 24 inches, 30 inches, and the last one is 36 inches. Take your time. What is the thing?
Sir, 24 inches.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
24
First set of
inches.
questions are over. Next
Okay.
set of questions are. Mr. Tushar, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question for you is, who is responsible for training employees who perform work outside the network? And the answers are competent persons, the qualified persons, either A or B, none of the above.
None of the above.
It's a very quick answer. I think you know the answer very well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question for you is, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, now will be your answers will be I will give you answers over your questions. Mr. Tushar, your answer is incorrect. The real answer is answer number B, the qualified person. Okay. Next question is for Tanishk. Tanish, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Working on a scaffold during winds about dash miles per hour is prohibited by the OSHAs. Options are 10, 25, 40, and the 50.
Sir, 10 kilometer, 10 miles per hour.
10 miles per hour is your final answer.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Tanish, it is wrong answer. Answer number C is correct. 40 miles per hour is prohibited by the OSHAs. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a quiz competition. Next question for Anurag is, sorry, Akhil is, Akhil, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akhil, at which water temperature should you bathe frostbitten
आपसे
skin?
भी अब बता रहा है
Answers are
एग्जैक्ट बताना चाहिए
at
ना
32 degrees Fahrenheit, between
फिर भूल तो नहीं रहा
104 to
था
107 degrees
क्या
Fahrenheit,
बोला तूने
between
बोला तूने
122
बाद
to
में
50
बच्चों
degrees
को पीपीटी
Fahrenheit.
सेंड
You
करना
should
बात
never
के बाद में
submerge
उनको यही
frostbite
चीज बतानी
into
बोला
water.
हैं? क्या बोला फिर तूने बोला
Think
तूने
carefully.
बाद में बच्चों को पीपीटी सेंड करना बाद के बाद में उनको यही चीज बतानी बोला तूने बोला मैं तो बाद में बच्चों को पीपीटी सेंड करना बाद के बाद में उनको यही चीज बतानी
Sir, B.
Okay. Your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Next question from Mr. Anurag Verma.
Yes, sir.
A vehicle transporting explosives shall not be driven at a speed exceeding dash kilometer per hour. And options are
दो नाइट पास आ
25, 20, 15, and 30.
Sir, option number D, 30.
Option number D, 30. Your answer is 30.
Yes, sir.
No, Anurag, this is the wrong answer. Answer number A is the right answer. 25 kilometer per hour is being, or the explosive speed is, it's not speeding speed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Next question for Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Rahul, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to flash you the questions. According to Mines Act 1952, calendar year means options are 1st April to 31st March, 1st January to 31st December, 1st Jan to 30th September, 1st October to 31st December. Think carefully.
So B, 1st Jan to 31st December.
Your answer is B, 1st Jan to 31st December.
Yes.
It's correct answer. Okay. Next question will be for Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. International Day for National Disaster Reduction is on. Options are October 13, November 13, October 23, and December 23.
Mm,
I have taught you in your induction program and in your second year stream. These are about disasters. Think carefully.
October 13. October.
Okay. Yes, nice answer from Miss Shruti. Well done. Next question for Mr. Webber. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question is, which of the following is not a method of disposing of a contaminated water? And your options are freezing, evaporation, deep well injection, and filtration. Think.
Sir, option B, evaporation.
Option B, evaporation. Option B, evaporation is your answer. I am sorry, above. This is the wrong answer. Answer number A is the correct answer, freezing. Nevertheless, question for Mr. Avi. Avi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question for you is, the most commonly used tool for removing tempered glass is a. Options are Crash X, spring loaded center punch, reciprocating saw, and Halligan tool.
Sir, Crash X. A.
Okay, you have to close it up, but your answer is wrong. Answer number B is correct. Spring loaded center punch. Okay. Glass is already tempered. You have to just shatter it. You have to think critically and think
Okay.
carefully. Okay.
Yes.
Next question for Mr. Tushar. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simply put, foam is option A. Foam. What do you mean? Understand the foam? Foam is an
Aerosol.
air bubble with a or droplet of water in its center, a droplet of water with foam suppression material in its center, an air bubble with water molecule cell in its center. The last one is a droplet of water with an air bubble in its center. Foam is, you have learned foam a lot
An
about.
air bubble with a water molecule cell in its center.
Option number.
C. It's an aerosol.
You have given the answer an air bubble with a water molecule cell in its center. No,
Yes,
Tushar.
sir.
Answer number A is correct. An air bubble with a droplet of water in its center. Very simple. It's okay. Nevertheless, never mind. Next question for Mr. Tanish is,
Yes, sir.
in general, according to NFPA, the difference between flammable and combustible is, term flammable and the term combustible is, difference is, options are any liquid having a flash point below or at 93.3 degrees Celsius, and liquid having a flash point above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and flammable liquid burns but a combustible liquid explode, any liquid having a flash point below or at and above 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sir, option D.
Option number D. Tanish, bravo, your answer is absolutely correct. Well done.
Thank
Next question for Mr. Akhil. Akhil, shall I put the question
Yes,
for
sir.
you? Okay.
I am ready, sir.
Question is, alcohol resistant foam creates a polymeric membrane which, answer is, options are contains the vapors of hydrocarbon and polar solvents and keeps them from reigniting, contains the vapors of hydrocarbons and keep them from reigniting, smoothers the vapors of hydrocarbon and polar solvents and keeps them from reigniting. The last one is contains the vapor of polar solvents and keep them from reigniting. You're running out of time. The time is running out.
C, sir.
Option number?
C.
I'm sorry. Answer number D is correct. Contains the vapors of polar solvents and this keep them from reigniting. Okay. Nevertheless, next question for Mr. Anurag. Anurag,
Yes, sir.
yeah, your question
Yes, sir.
is fire service ground ladders must conform to, and options are NFPA 1021, NFPA 1410, NFPA 1901, and NFPA 1931.
Sir, option number C, NFPA 1901.
Option number C, NFPA 1901. Sorry, Anurag, it's the wrong answer. Answer number D is the correct one. NFPA 1931 is the correct answer. Okay, next question for Miss Rahul Tejas. Mr. Rahul Tejas. The pumping of water from a static source by taking advantage of atmospheric pressure to force water from the source into the pump is called, options are downhill supply, drafting, siphoning, and downright clever. Think. You're running out of time. Rahul,
A downhill supply.
your answer is downhill supply. I'm sorry, the correct answer is drafting. Okay. The next question for Miss Shruti. Your question is Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The maximum amount of pollution that each waterway could absorb is known as TMDL, TSML, TDSML, and TDS. Come on, give your answer. Our time is running out.
Uh, BTSML.
Your answer is BTSML. Okay, but this is the incorrect answer. Answer number A is correct. TMDL. Okay, Shruti? Never mind. Never mind. Next question for Mr. Vaibhav.
Yes, sir.
Mildew, vehicle rusting, and sunlight are all problems dealt with when storing hose on an apparatus. Which of the following protects from these problems? Options are the hose sack, the rolls, hose beds, and plastic traps. How can you protect your hose from these problems? Think, think about. Yes, Vaibhav. Come on, fast.
Sir, house rules.
No, Vaibhav. Like it's
The
incorrect
house rules.
answer. No, sorry. Hose beds are the correct is the correct
Yes.
answer. Okay, next question for Mr. Avi. A dash is a device that allows vehicles to pass over a section of hose without damaging it, while dash carries hose and other equipment around. Options are hose bridge and hose bucket, hose mount and hose bridge, hose mount and hose cycle, hose bridge and hose cart.
Sir, D. Hose bridge and hose cart.
Very good, Very good, very good, Avi. I think you have learning very well. Very good, bravo. Next question for Mr. Tushar. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question is: Triage provides the rescuer a system too. I think you know very well what is triage. Options are: select the easier cases for priority treatment, determine the order in which medical care and transportation is to be provided for the victims, determine the victims he or she is the best qualified to assist and prepare for transportation, avoid further risk to victims.
So A, select the easy case of priority treatment.
Select the easier case for priority treatment. I think your answer is incorrect. Answer number B is correct. Determine the order in which medical care and transportation is to be provided. Okay, Tushar?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Next question for Mr. Tanishq.
Yes, sir.
A blue circle with a letter designation in the center would indicate an extinguisher is rated for use on which fires? And options are Class A, Class C, Class B, and Class D. Tane- Tanishq,
Sir, class C.
Class C. You meant option number B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your answer is absolutely correct. Next question for Mr. Akhil. Akhil, when an earth leakage circuit breaker is combined with an excess current operated circuit breaker, what protection is given to the circuit to prevent the fire accident? Options are: circuit is protected against earth faults and overloads, the circuit is protected against short circuit is protected against tripping of circuit, and last one is none of the above. Think carefully. Come on, fast. Your time is slipping.
B, sir.
B. The circuit is protected against short circuit. No, Mr. Akhil, your answer is incorrect. The true answer is the circuit is protected against earth faults and the overloads. Okay. The next question for Mr. Anurag Verma. Your question is: the visual presentation of the ranking of work sites in a factory based on the number of accidents reported from each site is called. Options are accident frequency method, spot map method, incidence rate, and the severity rate. It's a very easy question.
Sir, it is for whom?
Sorry,
Sir,
it
is
is
it
for
my question?
Anurag Verma. Anurag Verma.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sir,
Anurag.
sir, severity rate. Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Anurag. This is the wrong answer. Answer number B is correct. Spot map method. If you critically examine the options, you can see the last two options are not correct. They are not going for the method. Only option A and option B. You have to choose between option A and B. Don't worry, Anurag. Okay, it's okay. Next question for Mr. Rahul.
Yes, sir.
From this picture, okay, which law is being overruled by the employee working in that industry? The particular employee who is working in the industry, किस कौन सा rule उसने overrule किया है? The options are not wearing helmet, wearing loose-fitting clothes near the opener, employment of the minor in the industries, and working in an unsafe condition. You have to choose one, okay? You have to choose one. Watch the picture carefully.
Sir, B, wearing loose fitting clothes near the opener.
Very good. Next question for Miss Shruti. To perform efficiently, a firefighter must protect dash from blisters. Options are head and face, hands and arms, feet and legs, and hands and feet.
Sir, hands and arms.
Hands and arms. I'm sorry, dear, your answer is incorrect. Option number D is correct. Hands and feet. Okay. Next question for Mr. Webhav.
Yes, sir.
Fire resistant clothing should be washed with. It's a very easy question. Options are manufacturer recommendation, dry cleaning solvent, Nomex based soap to maintain fire resistive properties, a mild ammonia solution. Think about.
Sir, D, option D, a mild ammonia solution.
I'm sorry. Answer number A is correct. The manufacturer recommendation is the correct answer. Last question for the second round is for Mr. Avi. Avi, are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is the question is suppression action taken by a firefighter on the edge is called. Options are black line, direct attack, cold fire edging, and last one is indirect attack.
Sir, cold fire aging.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ravi. Answer number B is the correct answer, direct attack. Okay. Thank you, all of the participants. I will be disclosing your results very soon.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Uh,
you, all of you,
all the
for
Thank you,
participant,
sir.
participating. Sir.
all the
Thank you, sir.
participants are requested don't leave the Google Meet. We will come very soon with your result for the next round. So don't leave the Google Meet. Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
In a
sir.
week,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
in few minutes we will declare the result for the next round. Okay. Please don't leave. बस गौरव स्क्रॉलिंग करके बता रहा हूँ। Gaurav, can we start for the next round? Are you ready? Gaurav? Gaurav?
Hello?
Yeah, Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav.
Yes. Shall I disclose the results?
Yeah.
Yes.
All the participants are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. First position scored by Mr. Tanishq.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Second position is scored by Mr. Rahul Tejas.
Thanks.
Third position is for Mr. Akhil. The last
Thank you,
position is
sir.
for Mr. Vaibhav. These four toppers are going
Thank you,
for
sir.
third round. Okay. Siddharth, do you want to say something as an anchor?
Yes, sir. Just I will request all the participants that they cannot just turn off their camera. They can just turn off their mic when they are not saying their answers, but they have to continuously turn on their camera. That's the rule. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall we start with the third round?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the senior members in this group, I would like to ask your permission.
Yeah, Gaurav, you can start the next round.
HOD sir, Viren sir, Vineet sir. Shall I start
Yeah.
third round?
Yes, you can start the next round.
Okay. Okay. Before starting, I will just say something for tops first. This round will be a rapid fire questions. I will ask each participant back to back 3 questions. You have to give answer in within 5 seconds. Okay?
Sir, do we have to answer all questions in one way?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Within 5 seconds. Okay. First question is for Vaibhav. Vaibhav, be ready. I will
Yes,
asking
sir.
3 questions back to back, and this is rapid fire questions. And I will not disclosing the answers. Okay? This because
Okay,
this is
sir.
rapid fire answer.
Sir, will you project it or we will ask it
Yes,
normally?
I will project to PPT. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is rapid fire question because in this round I will not disclosing the answers itself. Okay? At the end of the round, I will disclosing the winners. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No one will question the quiz master, which is me. Okay? Chale. First question for Mr. Weber. I will be asking 3 questions back to back. Be ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Weber. First question is for you. The technique that checks the spread of fire at the points of more rapid spread or special threat is referred to as options are a cold drilling, hot spotting, hazard reducing, fireproofing.
Sir, hot spotting.
Okay. Next question for you is minimum area of basement required for installation of sprinkler system is options are 400 meters square, 300 meters square, 200 meters square, 100 meters square. Come
Sir,
on.
300 meter square.
Okay, next question for you is which device used to detect drop in pressure in automatic pressurized sprinkler system? Options are flow switch, pressure gauge, and the flow meter.
Sir, flow switch.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, pressure switch.
No, you cannot shift your answers. Okay, you have to shift answers. Okay.
Mhm.
Next question from Mr. Tanishk.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the standard height required to install MCP? And options are 1 meter, 1.3 meter, 1.4 meter, and 1.5 meter.
Sir, 1.3 meter.
Okay, next question for you is welfare is not a part of the Factories Act 1948. Options are true or false.
False.
Okay, next question for you is of the following, what monitoring equipment would be used to identify a corrosive hazard? Options are oxygen meter, combustible gas indicator, passive dosimeter, pH indicators, or pH meters.
pH indicator, sir.
Okay, next question for Mr. Akhil is
Yes, sir.
Akhil,
Ready.
what would be the major concern if you were to come upon a leaking tanker like the one illustrated below? Options are frostbite, ignition of vapors, exposure to corrosive liquids, exposure to a molten product.
Sir, C. Exposure to corrosive liquids.
Okay, next question for you is which one of the following is not a welfare provision under Factories Act 1948? Options are canteen, pitches, first aid, and drinking water.
Sir, A. Canteen.
Okay, next question for you is water reactivity is the ability of a material to react with water and releases dash or dash gas. Options are flammable or toxic, non-flammable or non-toxic, non-flammable or toxic, flammable and non-toxic.
Sir, A.
Okay, next question for Mr. Rahul. Rahul, are you
Yes,
ready?
yes, sir.
Okay. Regarding the safe storage of chemicals, MSST is an acronym for dash storage temperature. First one is minimum safe, maximum site, and minimum site.
Sir, minimum safe. The option
Okay.
B. Minimum
Next,
safe.
next question for you is the standard that contains the minimum requirements for the assignment duties and the responsibilities of health and safety officer is options are NFPA 701, NFPA 1401, NFPA 1521, NFPA 1001.
Sir, option C, NFPA 1521.
Okay. Next question for you is last question of the round is the interior live fire training session class dash material shall be used in the amounts necessary to create the desired fire size. Options are class A, class B, class C, and class D.
Sir, class A. Option A, class A.
Okay. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I will be disclosing the results very soon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All the participants, please remain in this Google Meet. Do not try to leave the meet. We will be disclosing the result very soon. Okay.
Yes.
Gaurav?
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
There's a tie between three students, which is Tanish, Akhil, and Rahul. And I would be asking each of those participant one tiebreaker question, and this will decide the winner and runner. Okay. And I will be asking
Yes.
this verbally. So, so listen
Okay,
very
sir.
carefully. Okay.
Sir, how many questions, sir?
One question for each participant.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tanish, on your camera. Tejas, on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is on.
Akhil. Okay. Akhil, on your camera. Okay, first question for Mr. Tanish is, what must be the travel distance for employees to reach Class D portable fire extinguisher? What must be the travel distance for employees to reach a Class D portable fire extinguisher? Tanish, your options are 50 feet, 55 feet, and 65 feet, and the last one is 75 feet.
1 meter equal to 3 feet 15 into 345. सर ऑप्शंस क्या है एक और बार रिपीट कर
50 feet, 55 feet, 65 feet, and 75 feet.
सर ऑप्शन ए
Okay. Next question for Mr. Akhil. Akhil is, what does CRT stand for? Options are Community Experimental Research Team. Option number B, Central Emergency Response Terminal. Option number third is Control Evacuation and Response Tactics. The last option is Community Emergency Response Team.
Sir, C.
Okay. Next question for Mr. Rahul is,
Yes, sir.
which of the following should you do if you are unable to evacuate a burning building? First one is open the doors and windows to let the smoke out, break windows, breathe through your mouth, and stay low under the smoke.
Sir, option D, stay low under the smoke.
Okay. Just wait a minute. We are calculating the results. Good afternoon, all of you. This
Good
is Gaurav
afternoon, sir.
Anthony speaking. Okay. First of all, I would like to extend my thank you for all the participants who have actively participated in this quiz competition and made this event of a great. And the results for this quiz competition will be disclosing, which will be disclosing at tomorrow in the last of the session. Is it okay for all of you?
नो सर सर अभी बता दो
So
सर.
you have to wait, Tanish. You have to
Sir,
wait.
बता दो sir.
You have to wait. I would be calculating all the results and all the your marking. Then only I will deliver the results. Okay.
Thank you so
Siddharth,
much, sir, for
Siddharth, you,
this quiz
थैंक यू
competition.
सर.
Siddharth, you may continue, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Siddharth, continue, please.
Uh, yes, yes.
Yes.
First of all, on behalf of entire Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department, I would like to thank our respected HOD, sir, Mr. Praveen Patel, sir, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. Thank you, sir, for your encouragement and motivation you have given to all of us. I would like to say thank you to today's activity in charge, Assistant Professor Mr. Gaurav Anthony, sir, and Mr. Mushtaqeen Khan, sir, for their untiring efforts. The way you conducted the event, sir, was just perfectly perfect. An event like this cannot happen overnight. Our department is fortunate enough to be backed by the dedicated faculty members. For this reason, I would like to thank all the faculty members who were the backbone of this event. And last but not least, I would like to thank all the students who actively participated and devoted and contributed themselves to this particular quiz competition. Fire technology and safety engineering department students has proved that they are not only good at academics, but they are very excellent in co-curricular activities too. Thank you. Thanks a lot to all of you. And just thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you,
Thank
Siddharth,
you.
for your kind words. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Tomorrow we will meet again on the Google Meet. Tomorrow we have the event of innovation idea and prototype model competition uh, on 11:30 onwards. So we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you so
Excuse me,
much.
sir. There is
Yeah.
a query.
Yeah.
Yes, Siddharth.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, there is any information about the voting link that is means till how much time it will be open or how much time it will be responding the means
It's already
accepting
closed.
the responses.
It's already
Yes, sir.
closed.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. No problem. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Oh, so have a nice day to all.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Sri. Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.